Hello there.
Harlan, Harlan.
Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there. Okay, so, what's this called again?
Keep the door locked.
Yeah. Keep the door.
I'm gonna read it. Bathroom monster never sleep alone. Let a guest in.
Okay,
your room
first get the
door knocker. Not every knock is a human. Check the visitor before opening.
window seeker. Hear something outside? Check the windows. Stay alert. The hotel is never safe.
Wait, if the hotel's never safe, why do we live here?
I don't know.
Why won't I'm tapping?
Press skip. Press skip. Yeah, I'm done hearing that.
Okay.
These rules are so annoying. I guess I'm asleep.
Let me see. These rules are so annoying.
Police
Open it. Open it.
You're welcome. Is it already day 2? See, it's already day 2.
What?
Oh no, it's day 1.
So the bathroom is right. You clean for me?
Huh?
You have clean? I did too. You have to do it too. And there's one right here. Oh, I didn't
Get the door. Get the door. Oh, I hate this. Okay, I'm skipping again.
You're still here? Wow.
Skip it. Okay. I got scared for a second. Okay, wait, let me just